What's happening out there, followers, drivers, subscribers? In this video, we're going to start doing these on a Wednesday, and as you can see the title up above, it's going to be called Gear Talk. So where we discuss a certain product I use or tool, whatever. We'll give it a review, talk about it, give you my 2 cents. But that's what we'll start doing on Wednesdays. So in this episode, we're going to talk about Speedokote Paint. So keep watching. Alright, so first off, Speedokote Paint. It's basically their own website that sells paint products. It's actually the same company I used for the textured paint. Pretty good stuff, very affordable. Now this specific stuff here that I bought to use to paint my truck, I bought it off of Amazon just because it seems to get here a little bit faster, but it's still from the same company. So we will flip you over to the desktop view and I'll talk about these products that I used, what I liked about them, what I didn't like about them. So let me flip y'all over here. Alright, so the first product here you see is a Speedokote Black Automotive 2.1 Low VOC 2K Urethane Primer Black. It comes in a gallon. $79.99 free shipping. So it's not bad. Now the only thing that I didn't like about this stuff, it's super thick. Even after me reducing it with my Harbor Freight spray gun and all that, it still seemed like it didn't want to spray very well. And it hardened super quick even though I kept closing the can. So in my opinion, I didn't really like it too much because how thick it lays out. Even with me thinning it out, it still didn't shoot very well in my opinion. But, you know, maybe with a better gun, it might have been a really good option. So, anyway, let's go to the next product here. The next product is going to be the Speedokote High Gloss Jet Black 2K Acrylic Urethane 3-to-1 gallon kit with activator, which is $100, which is a lot of paint. I mean, you might be thinking, that's quite a bit of money, but a gallon is quite a bit of paint, and this stuff goes a long ways, and it covered a square foot with very little. I was super surprised. It goes on pretty easy. You don't have to adjust the gun too much. So I would definitely recommend the High Gloss Jet Black. Looks really good. Seems to wet sand pretty easy and all that. So the next product here is the Speedokote Clear Coat 2K Acrylic Urethane. It's a gallon, $59, but this one does have plus shipping. Now, let me tell you about this stuff. Now this stuff is freaking awesome. Not only are you getting a gallon, which is a whole lot of clear. I mean, I shot my truck probably 4 times and I still had more than half a gallon left. And it goes on thick, like super thick it seems like. Like you looks like two coats and you probably could have got away with it. I mean, it looks good, and if you had a decent area where you can keep all the dust out, I think it would lay like glass. But, you know, of course, I was shooting it in my garage, so still having dust and all that everywhere, even with my vent fans. But, man, I definitely recommend this clear coat if you just need to clear coat your truck. If you got decent paint already and you just want to re-clear it, or if you want to do the patina look and you just need a nice cheap can of clear, definitely would go with this stuff, and it's affordable too. So it's got, as you can see here, let me go back to it, medium dry and cure, high gloss, UV resistant for excellent weathering, easy buffing. Now I bought the slow speed, 85 degrees, because at the time when I was painting it's a little bit cooler, but you can get the fast speed as well. But that's another thing too with these products. Man, they dried quick. I mean, especially this clear coat. I was expecting an hour, but man, I bet within 20 minutes you could touch it already. I was super surprised. So yeah, I've been using the Speedokote company for quite some time with all their T-Rex protective coatings. That's what you've seen on my truck before I started the whole painting process. So they have a lot of products out there that are very affordable. A lot of them come with their own gun, everything. So definitely check them out if you haven't already. If you need some affordable paint, that's my 2 cents. And this is the first episode of Gear Talk. Hopefully y'all will enjoy these little sessions on Wednesdays. Thanks for subscribing, guys. Thanks for tuning in. And until next time, always keep it simple, keep it sweet.